Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Zonie. Zonie with a song called Moving the Life. So Zonie link up and say, yo, dog, I put in some work. I say, why not? It would be rude not to. So with there, with the G, I put in some work, you know? So I could jump in and I want to hear Zonie say, because you don't know, so some pussy no want to see this happen. So we talk music. What am I that too? Hey! Alright, what we can see here so now. So right now we're up on the skyline. What the skyline? This looks like America somewhere. It looks like a Florida still. Although I never got Florida before, you know, but let's go. Let's go.
Turn it up.
Turn it up. Look at the production team here now.
Yo, Elijah. Yes, a brain winners.
Yeah.
No doubt. I know what they may preset, you know. I feel what she are doing in life still, you know. That's why we have turning around, though.
Joe, 360. Yeah.
Remember one time before the thing official, before the NC and before the crystal, before me touch you with me a fit okay pistol, with a linking with down or a pick up crystal.
He might straight off the bat, he might tell you, say, yo, remember one time when I wasn't who I am now, before things get official. Anytime he might touch the road, him have to tuck in. So before the NC and the crystal, him have to tuck in pistol. Even when I'm going to pick up down our crystal. So he might tell us, say, yo, listen, anytime I touch the road, no matter what the movements, I always have something tucked in. And under my shirt, you know, under my shirt, that's something under my shirt, I make a splat.
Before me touch you with me a fit okay pistol, yeah. I'm linking with down or a pick up crystal. True. With a big old split catch pan, me lip not me hand.
Yeah.
I pre out some things, figure whole and med span. The more me look around, me come to one conclusion. So
before you come to the conclusion, you see this spliff we're catching them outside, that spliff there I give him a different meds. A spliff there I gonna make him meds outside of the box. Cause you know say the good weed from Kiki. Yeah, that weed there, pass it, but yo, pass the bumble club. You see that weed there give you a different bumble club meds. You know what thing or not?
I pre out some things, figure whole and med span. Yeah. The more me look around, me come to one conclusion. Yeah. Success is a must, that's the only solution. First thing, mama.
Success is a must, that's the only solution. Me not second for nothing else, brother. Even before me have it, me a pre-success. Me a pre-success, me a speak it into existence. Big word, existence.
I say, son, you are God bless and no two friend people it will cause tension.
Yeah.
Your 3 pints protect him, make it pass pension. So me bring in 4 or 5, it's a smart weapon.
So his mother tell him, say, yo, use a God bless. And once mama tell her that, you know, you're prayed up. Because once your mother pray for you, you are prayed up. Mama say, yo, no matter keep the heap of friend. Because them not good. Them same man we bite the hand, look on my hand. The same man we bite the hand where you feed. No bumbo class friend them. F-R-I-E-N-D spell friend. E-N-D at the end. Watch it, you know. Watch it. Oh.
Your 3 pints protect him, make it pass pension.
Oh, I forgot the part here. Your 3 pints. Don't make them take it, you know. Make sure so you live past pension age. Pension age how much in my place? 67 for man. Make sure so you make all age kill you. Make all age kill you. Don't make them pussy kill you. No, sir. All age.
So me bring in 4 or 5, it's a smart weapon. 6-7 days a week, paper, mad pen and right tune cause haters when we have lesson. So me step out size 9 indeed with a speed. What a speed of a jet doing Mach 10 and
zoom. Them tell us say yo 6-7 days a week. When do? Right. When am I right? Am I right song because haters don't want to see that happen. So when time step out and I'm size 9, you know what I do? Jet speed, zoom, gone. Moving.
So me step out size 9 indeed with a speed. What a speed of a jet doing Mach 10 and watch how you are moving in a life. Things where you choose in a life. The way how you groove in a lifetime cannot be bought or replaced, so think wise. What you say? Watch how you are moving in a life. The things where you choose in a life. The way how you groove in a lifetime cannot be bought or replaced, so think wise.
So even in the bad chorus, he might have a message for you. Watch how you move in a life. Watch out. Remember, you know, dog. Remember, I'm telling you, dog. You see some things what you would do as adult, it will fall back down by your family, fall down by your kids. Watch how you do, brother. You can't rub out with us, I'm a while ago, you know. You can't rub you out, you know, so watch how you move. Think before you do certain things, you know. Yeah.
The way how you groove in a lifetime cannot be bought or replaced, so think wise. Yeah. Them say you're dirt, then a dirt, but you when me discover. Enough of them a chat tough because them weak for power.
Them say if a dirt, but here with me discover. You see enough of them where you see a chat brrrr, them weak. 7 days. No. 14 days, 2 weeks. Yeah, them weak. What them weak for? Power. Pussy them frivolous out. Them body shrivel down. Yeah.
Them say you're dirt, then a dirt, but you when me discover. Enough of them a chat tough because them weak for power. So them rain pan some man through the money shower. But me no want no friend that praise me. Me no deal with bowers.
Yeah. You have some boy, them are things friend. You see, because some things are going over the surface, that the man there, you see them itch up round them and go like, say, where me know you from? You know are things friend. The man that tell us say, yo, me no want a friend at prison, cause year was, me no deal with bowers, bro. Me no want a friend at prison, dog, and me alone, born, bro.
So them rain pan some man through the money shower. But me no want no friend that praise me. Me no deal with bowers. Hours 24/7 skyscraper towers.
Hours 24/7. The whole of we get the same 24 hours in the day. But what you do with your one? Eh? What the boss has pre? Skyscrapers and towers with theme one, you know?
But me no want no friend that praise me. Me no deal with bowers. Hours 24/7 skyscraper towers. Colors, all girl, all shape, all flowers.
All girl, body no racist. No. Body no racist. All type of girls. Yeah. Black, white, Chinese, yellow, pink, everything. Yeah. We not partial. Nothing. Love for the ladies, them. That's what we say. Yeah.
Hours 24/7 skyscraper towers. Colors, all girl, all shape, all flowers. 33 white priest, Scottie Pippen. Now you
33, White Priest, Scottie Pippen. Is that the jersey for Scottie Pippen? The jersey number. That's all, folks. Hold on. Wait. Let me see. More make sure I get that one right, you know. Scottie Pippen Jr. No, not Scottie Pippen do that. Scottie Pippen more see. Is that him jersey number 33? All right, see, let me get it right to blow. I wasn't sure if that was his jersey number, but yeah, me get that one right. Yeah.
33 white priest, Scottie Pippen. Now you see what it means to be living. Watch how you are moving a life. Things where you choose in a life. Alright. The way how you groove in a lifetime cannot be bought or replaced, so think wise. Never. Watch how you are moving a life.
Yeah.
The things where you choose in a
chorus,
life.
but like the chorus.
The way how you groove in a lifetime cannot be bought or replaced, so think wise. Remember one time before the thing official, before the NC and before the crystal. Before me touch the road, me have to tuck a pistol. But I'm linking with Dan or a pick up crystal. With a big old spliff catch pan, me lip not me on. I pre out some things, figure whole and med span. The more me look around, me come to one.
I Reebok the clean your fuck.
Lip not me on. I pre out some things, figure whole and med span.
Watch your boss Reebok. Clean. Aye, it's a Reebok that, not true. If I'm a Reebok, that is an Adidas, but I think I Reebok that, man.
The more me look around, me come to one conclusion. Success is a must, that's the only solution. First thing mama says, son, you are God bless and no two friend people it will cause tension. Your 3 pints protect you, make it pass pension. So me bring in 4 or 5, it's a smart weapon. 6-7 days a week, paper, mad pen and right tune cause haters when we have lesson.
Yeah.
So me step out size 9 indeed with a speed. What a speed of a jet doing Mach 10 and watch how you are moving a life all the time. Things where you choose in a life. The way how you groove in a lifetime cannot be bought or replaced, so think wise. Never. Watch how you are moving a life. The things where you choose in a life.
Yeah, man.
The way how you groove in a lifetime cannot be bought or replaced, so think wise. Remember them say you're dirt, then a dirt, but you when me discover.
Yeah.
Enough of them a chat tough because them weak for power. So them rain pan some man through the money shower. But me no want no friend that praise me. Me no deal with bowers.
None of
Hours 24/7 skyscraper towers. Colors, all girl, all shape, all flowers. 33 white priest, Scottie Pippen. Now you see what it means to be living. Watch how you are moving a life. Things where you choose in a life. The way how you groove in a lifetime cannot be bought or replaced, so think wise.
Yeah.
Remember. Watch how you are moving a life.
Message.
The things where you choose in a life. The way how you groove in a lifetime cannot be bought or replaced, so think wise.
Bumbleclaw. One Zonie, what I'm saying?
Outer side.
Outer sight. Big up yourself, Zonie. Big up yourself. Great messages in the song, yo. Uplift the youth, them same way. Watch how you're praying in life, you know. Think smart, you know. Because things can affect your loved ones, them, you know. You see me? Yeah, that's always pretty bigger picture. That's what the boss are telling them, basically. Always pretty bigger picture. Zonie, big up your bumbleclaw, say, be like this. I like this. I like this. I like this song, Zonie. No joke. I like it. Yeah. lyrics, whole heap of lyrics tonight, whole heap of lyrics, whole heap of metaphor, and you send me to Google with the Scottie Pippen line, that send me to Google. I mean, I have to make sure say, yo, me get that one there right. You see me? So big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Real talk, man, G. Real talk. Success is a must for the youths them out there. So youths, think wise. You see me? It's not all about the live for today moment. Live for tomorrow and next week and the week after. You see me? That's what the boss are telling you, basically. Anyway, this time I'm going to leave down still. If you enjoy the one and want to see more from G, leave a like on the video. Also, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link to this song in the description below. Please go in the comment section and tell him, say, yo, JAMAICA'S game. I send you, subscribe to him channel as well. Make him know, say, yo, the G send you over there and you're over there represent. You don't know. Big up on yourself and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst game, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.